The month of Elul is a time to accept on ourselves small kabbalos. Something small to accept on yourself and to make sure you stick to it. Don't change. Small kabbalos like this ultimately build a big building. But you got to make sure that you stick with whatever it is that you decided to do. How do you do that? The Pnei Menachem, the Ger Rebbe, once accepted it himself that he will not speak after Kriyas Shema al Hamita. Go to sleep, you say Kriyas Shema, he accepted it himself that he will not speak. We're not talking about after the Bracha, Hamapid, because then halachically you're not allowed to speak. He decided that after Kriyas Shema he will not speak, but then one day his father, the Imam, called him. What is he going to do? Father calls you. You have to go. So he decided he's not going to start talking. If his father asks him something, so he will respond. And that's what happened. His father asked him something, so then he had to respond. But then he said to himself, what am I going to do? I accepted on myself not to speak after Kriyas Shema al Hamita. So then he decided to stay up the whole night. If he stays up the whole night, retroactively comes out that when he said Kriyas Shema last night, it wasn't the Kriyas Shema for the bedtime. And this way he can make sure to stick to whatever it is that he decided to do. Rav Pinkus Zecher Tzadik Livrocha decided always to bench Birkas Hamazon from a siddur, from a bencher, from something written, not to say it by heart. But once he got to a certain place, he ate, and he didn't realize there were no siddurim there. Nobody had a siddur, there were no benchers, nothing. What did he do? He took a piece of paper, took a pen, started singing to himself the benching, wrote it down, and then when he's done, he looked at this paper and read and said the benching, because he accepted it himself never to say it by heart. So now he had it on a piece of paper. Accept something on yourself, something small, but make sure you stick to it. Small things like this ultimately build a big building.